Hi there, it's Kelly here, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to customize your email templates. So let's get started. Once you're logged in, you want to click on settings, and then you want to click on templates, and this is where you can actually customize your email templates. In terms of the first setting here, layout, for email template layout, this is the most basic layout design that you can change for any email that you send out using your business email. So if you want to change it, you can just click on this pencil icon, and for instance, you feel like, oh, the logo can be bigger, then you can adjust it as you like. Or so if everything is okay, you want to click on that save button. Moving on to the next section, orders. When it comes to running an e-commerce business, one of the most important components is to ensure you have an automated system that updates your customers whenever there are any changes in order status, payment status, etc. There are up to about 8 email templates here that function for different purposes pertaining to orders. So, for example, order confirmation email, you can click on that pencil icon, and if you want to enable it, then you have to make sure that your order confirmation email is now enabled. And if you want to change the email subject, you can also do so here. And so in terms of the HTML template, if it's too confusing for you, you can just leave it as it is. But let's say you want to change a few words here and there, you can do so by, just straight away inputting it. But what I would suggest is not to touch any of the data that we have inputted here, because what we have set here is to actually synchronize with the products and quantity that they have placed in their order. So, but of course, if you feel like you want to customize things, there are some information that you don't want to put here, you can also remove them. What I would recommend is once you have made the changes, you would want to click on preview or send test email to see how it looks like on your end before you actually save this setting. So you want to make sure that everything is still okay. I would highly recommend you to actually go into every email template and see, have an understanding of whether that's the email you need or not. So if you need it, then you want to make sure that it's enabled, and if you feel like you want to add more information to that email, you can also add in. So that we're going to move on to the next section, which is customers. So in terms of this section, there are 4 email templates that you can play around. So the first one is like an account confirmation email and a welcome email and things like that. So I would again highly recommend you to go into each and every email and see whether these are the emails that you will need and things like that. So we're going to move on to the next section, which is shippings. Alright, so in terms of the shipping emails, there are actually 3 emails here that you can customize, which includes a packing slip email, which is a checklist of the items that they have ordered, or a order fulfillment confirmation email, and a order fulfillment update email. Alright, so now we're going to move in the final section of this email template page, which is the points and membership system. So there are 3 emails here that you can also customize in terms of updating your customers about their membership status, so whether they have upgraded their membership or renewed their membership, or their membership has been downgraded. You can also set an email template to notify them on these changes. Alright, so with that, we have successfully customized our email templates. That's all for this video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!